What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill and I'm all about helping you cook better barbecue in your own backyard. Plus, it should be easy and fun. Today, we are doing that with a gorgeous cedar plank salmon with a honey chive butter. It's so delicious, so simple. Let's get started. Step one in cedar plank salmon is prepping your cedar planks. You want to submerge your cedar planks for about 2 hours before you cook on them. We want the flavor from the cedar planks, we want the smokiness, we want the steam, but we don't want them catching on fire while they're on the grill. Cooking with cedar planks became really popular when propane grills really started to come into the space. It gives you the opportunity to build smoky flavor without having to have a smoker, which is nice. But I like the flavor of cedar wood, specifically with fish. It is so delicious. So we are doing this today on a charcoal grill. You could also do it on a pellet grill or propane if that's your speed. So we've got our soaked cedar planks, a beautiful salmon fillet. It's getting simply seasoned with salt and pepper. I really want the fish and the smokiness to do most of the heavy lifting here in terms of flavor. This is gonna go directly onto the cedar plank. And then I'm gonna pop it onto my grill. My grill's running about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna cook this salmon until it reads 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. That'll give a salmon that's still moist and flaky and juicy, but perfectly cooked through. How long it takes will depend on how thick your salmon is. This is a pretty thin fillet, so I'm guessing about 15 to 20 minutes, but I'll check every 5 minutes or so. While our salmon is cooking, let's prep this lemon chive butter. I've got a couple tablespoons of salted butter, super soft, about a tablespoon of fresh chives, and then the zest of a lemon. Now, we really want the salmon to shine. We really want the smokiness to shine. So this is designed to just add moisture to the salmon, some brightness, some freshness, some acidity. And this gets spooned on the salmon right towards the end of the cooking process so that it can kind of melt down over the top of the salmon on the cedar plank. Now, this was one of the first recipes I ever published on my website almost a decade ago. And I knew I was on the right track with writing recipes. And one of the reasons that I kept going was because I had a friend from high school text me after they saw me post this recipe on Facebook and said, "You need to know that I made this for my wife," and she said it was the best salmon we've ever had, and it was so simple and so easy. So thanks for making me look awesome. And that first kind of comment, that first little piece of validation really pushed me to keep going. So this is a simple recipe. It was an early recipe, but it's one that's been with me the longest and has a really great track record in my house for being quite popular. Butter's ready, just set that aside. I'll pop it on the salmon right as it hits about 140 degrees. Let it finish cooking those last 5 degrees and then we're good to go. All right, we're just about 20 minutes in. Thickest part of our salmon is reading 135, 138. I'm gonna pop on this lemon chive butter just with a spoon in little dollops, kind of let it melt down on top of the salmon while it finishes cooking. Our beautiful, buttery, smoky salmon is done. Now, I always like to finish the salmon with just some fresh lemon juice. It helps balance out all of the richness of the butter and the salmon. And I just think lemon and salmon go so beautifully together. You get all of that smoky flavor from this cooking on the cedar plank. The fish itself is so clean, so beautiful, lightly smoky. This is, like I said, old school, simple, easy, delicious, just as it should be. I have a feeling that you're gonna love this recipe as much as mine have the last almost decade. If you do, head to the website, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you when you make my recipes in your own backyard. It really just makes me super happy. I'm gonna eat some more of this salmon, and I'll see you next time.